Hi guys, back to a video, and this will be. So today we were doing a house tour and basketball. Now, if you enjoy this video, make sure to like that video. Like and subscribe. Make sure to like and subscribe, and yeah. Anyways, let's do this. If I make this, you have to subscribe. Hey, you have to subscribe right now. Yeah, not that I get a hooper. Okay, instead of shooting, let's just do some dribbling. I'm trying to practice that. I don't get how people do that. Literally, my friend is 10 and he knows how to do it. Okay, now that we're done with basketball, let's go do a house tour. Make sure I don't leave my address. So our corner here is like kitchen. Got all these snacks. All that, you know. So I'm not gonna show you like my sister's room or anything. Sorry for the bathroom. And here's my room. It's pretty messy. Right here, all that. Set up right here. Pretty messy. Yeah, so there's a lot of messy stuff. That like over here. You know, so I'm trying to like clean up and stuff. Now right here is my old room. Now it's the storage room. Got chairs, all of this. My old keyboard. I'll do a sound test for it. Pretty cheap. Costs like $5. Five below, bro. Pretty good. Yeah, that's the end for this vlog. If you enjoyed, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Anyways, I'm out.